Why shouldn't humans eat humans? People eat everything well. Animals, fish, grass, and literally everything. If it doesn't taste good, season it and eat. If it's ugly, bake it and eat. If it's poisonous, take it out and eat. Literally, people eat everything they can. But why don't people eat people? That's right, of course it's bad to kill people. But I want to approach it more fundamentally than for these moral reasons. It's because there's also a scientific reason. Historically, there have been cases where people have eaten humans. Human toothprints were found in human bones and fossils a long time ago, and found evidence of eating human muscles and fossils of Indian feces a long time ago. Or, some villages even had a culture where villagers shared dead bodies when people died. But experts say there could have been cannibalism in a temporary culture or in extreme conditions. No group would have eaten people on a daily basis for nutrition. And if there were such a group, it would have gone away with the disease before long. That's right. If a person eats a person, there is a risk of getting more diseases. This is because viruses, bacteria, and parasites are more easily infected within the same species. For example, for a mouse virus to infect humans, there must be some modifications to the virus gene. However, human-to-human infections can be transmitted without such modifications. And what's especially serious is that when a person eats the human brain, because of a special protein component called prion, you can get a terrible disease called Kuru disease, where the muscles of your whole body become dysfunctional, tremble violently, and eventually die. This disease has occurred in an enormous number of villages that have a culture of sharing the bodies of the dead, as mentioned earlier. In addition to these medical reasons, during human development, it wasn't an efficient way for humans to hunt and eat people. It's because it's not easy to kill each other with similar combat power and similar intelligence. And there wasn't a lot of meat that could be obtained in comparison. Instead of killing each other, they joined forces to kill larger animals, such as mammoths. It was a much wiser choice. Anyway, this was an inevitable flow. Now, we've talked about why people shouldn't eat people. There were so many clear reasons why you shouldn't cannibalize. But this strange question suddenly comes to mind. What would happen if people were delicious enough to overcome them? I hope I'm not that delicious. Thank you for watching. This has been Why House.